Thanks for joining the team, Julian. This is so cool to have you a part of the Enjoy experience.
Of course, I appreciate it big time. I'm having a blast being here, and I love the energy. I love the vibes already, so
Yeah,
it's a
it's fun,
blast.
man. It's fun. So fun to do this with you and have have this tool for people that will watch it, hopefully for years to come, of what we've learned about optical and what you're learning right now.
And it's
as an
cool to
optician.
see,
Yeah.
it's cool to be in this industry. I'm already like a fashion geek, so all that I need is, optical wear. That's the last part. That's the last key. So.
Yep. It's exciting, man. Okay, so one of the leadership principles we talk about when we're starting training is we want to learn to imitate before we innovate.
Okay.
And what I mean by that is that you learn almost how to paint inside the frame or inside the box, and then at some point you're going to paint wherever you want on that paper.
Okay.
But we have to learn some of the principles and really imitate. So my encouragement to you is just like, do what I do for now.
Yeah.
And then eventually we're going to get an even better version of Julian putting his spin on it and innovating.
Okay.
But imitate before you innovate. And then from that standpoint, I think it helps you just know kind of all the big keys, the steps, kind of checking that box as you go. But then you can put your color in it. You can do your thing.
Spin and everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
And so that's kind of my goal with this, is just to kind of give you those check boxes. How do you outline a sale? How do you help someone in the optical industry as an optician? And then the really fun part will be when you put your own spin on it.
Yeah, and then when I get to innovate, that's basically I just need the foundational principles before I do innovate.
Exactly.
Or whatnot, so I can put my spin on it. Okay.
Like an artist, like what paints do I have? What am I working with here?
Exactly.
What
Yeah.
does the canvas look like?
So it's like, okay.
Cool.